Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to transfer money from Bybit to Revolut. Right, so to transfer money from Bybit to Revolut, you can follow the steps. And the very first thing is that check supported cryptocurrency. So before initiating a transfer, confirm that the cryptocurrency you want to send is supported by Revolut. Right, this is very important. As of now, Revolut support BTC, Ethereum, USDT, and you can also use an Ethereum network. Now withdraw cryptocurrency from Bybit. So to withdraw it, you have to log in into your Bybit, which I've already done it. Now you have to go and click on assets on the top right. Once you go here, all the asset BTC will be shown here. Now just go and click on withdraw. Right, and once you just go and click on withdraw, make sure that you have selected your BTC. As you know, I don't have any amount here, that's why I'm not getting an option. If you didn't set it up, then you have to set up now withdrawal security settings and all this stuff. Right, and here now select choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, which is the BTC, and make sure you have added this all stuff here. Now you have to go to the Revolut mobile application or the website, go to the cryptocurrency and select receive. Now here you have to paste the copied wallet address into the withdrawal field on Bybit. Select the appropriate network, that is BTC, enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Right, now here receive all the details carefully and confirm the withdrawal. You may need to complete additional security verification such as email confirmation or two-factor authentication. Now you have to just wait for confirmation, that's it. Now in this way you can just do this, right? I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.